Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi 18-volt Evercharge hand vac. Super cool tool, guys. I actually have one of these and one of the Ryobi floor vacs at home. Works out really well. Very handy, just ready to go vacuum if you mount them on the wall. And also, I always use the batteries at home, which I'll get into a little bit more in a moment here. So as far as like features or like options or how to use this guy, it's very straightforward. The battery goes into the bottom, takes an 18-volt 1+ battery. This one happens to be an HP. It can be a regular, doesn't have to be the HP ones. Just any of the 18-volt ones with the stem will work. And then also, other than that, it has a release here to allow this front collection dust cup guy to come off. Once you take that off, this whole insert will slide out, and right here on the back, on the opening of that, is a filter that will clip. These two side clips come out, and that'll come out, and that's replaceable. And then also, this is even replaceable if you wanted to get crazy ordering parts on the internet. So then we'll clip that together, put it back in. Then this slides right inside of here again, and that's also how you empty this. And then it'll clip right back on here and lock in place. So we'll start with the bottom. And like I just showed you on accident, then right here is the power button that'll turn it on and off. That works really good as well. And also, so it comes with these wall mount chargers, which are awesome. So basically just sits on your wall mounted like that. And this has a little receiving part for this little protruding part on the charger. And if you slide that onto there like so, you'll see on this battery indicator if it's charging or charged, it'll tell you, just like it would on your charger. With different light sequences, it'll go solid once it's charged. The other thing that's cool about this is, like I said, I have these at home, and basically this battery is always charged because it's sitting on that charger. If I ever need a battery for another tool, I always grab the one out of the vacuum just because it's sitting in the room on the wall charging or charged like that. And then when I'm done, I'll put the tool away and I'll throw the battery right back on this and it recharges. And then if I ever need a vacuum as well for something quick, it's really quick. It's good, ready to go all the time. And so that's this. And then same functionality with that Ryobi floor vac. They have a hand-held stick floor vacuum that is also super handy that we keep on the wall in our kitchen. So yeah, so that's the Ryobi hand vac, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for everybody's support. We can't tell you how much we appreciate you. If anybody does have any other future video ideas, let us know. We appreciate all the ones you've given us in the past. Also, if you haven't subscribed, liked, please do so. We are actually giving away this entire Milwaukee M18 drill kit. It's actually a drill impact kit with one battery and a charger at the end of April, and then we do another giveaway every month thereafter. We just gave away a DeWalt kit and an M18, another one of these before in March as well. So, or excuse me, in March and February. So thanks so much again for watching. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care, guys.